Okay, thank you for being right back. Still continuing on the type of question we just posted now. We have another similar question, very similar. And after taking this, we should be able to get how to do that. You see, a quadratic function g, wow, model the depth in meter below the surface of the water of a seal t minutes after the seal enter the water. During a dive, the surface the functions estimate that the seal reaches its maximum height of 26 meters after 7 minutes. So here we have our k now to be 294 meter after 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, 7 in time. So now, let's say and reaches to the surface of the water 14 minutes after it enter the water. Now, at t equal 14, it will be 0 because that is when it will return back to the surface of the water. Let's quickly move. So what did that ask us to do? He said, what is the estimated depth to the nearest meter of the seal 11 minutes after it has entered that water? Now for the T2 is 11. So they are asking us what will be this. Okay. So let's quickly model it. We have said that it's going to be in resonance in quadratic function. That is g of t will be equal to a into, let's say t minus h all square plus what? K. Where our k here is 29. So we have g of t to be equal to what? A, which is unknown for now. We have our 7 minus h. Or let me say t minus 7 for here now. For this first one, we use that height for that. Minus 7 all square plus 9. 294. Yes. So that's the initial point for the modeling of the equation. Now can we continue solving now? In continuation and solving, when t is 14, we have g of 14. We have a, that place it will be 0 here. We have a into what? 14 minus 7 all square plus 294. So we are equating it to 0 because that's when it comes back to the solving. That's 0 is equal to what? A into 7 all square plus 294. Then you can bring it back. You have 49. Yes. 49a is equal to minus 294. So let's quickly do that. I think this is more faster than the first one. We can learn it quickly now. 294 is negative divided by 49. And that gives us C. A is minus 6. We have this. We can use this. Now at this point, they are asking us at t equal to what will be the height. So g of t now equal A, we have gotten it to be minus 6 into 11 minus 7 all square plus 294 direct. So we have this. What will be the height? So we have, this is going to be what? 4. That is 11 minus 7 is going to be 4. 16. 16 times 6. We have 6. Multiply by 1, 6. That will give us 11 minus 7 have the same. 4 square is 16. 16 times 6. That's 94. So we have minus 94 plus 294. So in this context, if you go on, you can have your g of t at this point where t is 7, or where t is 11. G of 11, which is your time, will be equal to what? 200 meter, which is the height, the maximum height at that point. It will be 200 meter. Kindly watch the words again, learn to substitute to it, and subscribe. Thank you and happy Sunday.